I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your payment method in Binance. Now, before I show you guys how you guys can change your payment, and if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link down in the description. If you use our referral link, then you guys can get up to $10 bonus while signing up into Binance. So use that link to get a free $10 bonus, and let's start the video. Now, to change your payment method in Binance, basically what you want to do is go to Binance.com over here and log in into your account. After logging into your account, click on your profile picture over here and go to where it says dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, you want to go on where it says payment. Click on payment. Now once you're on your payment method, if you guys have already added a payment method, then it's going to be shown over here. Now remember, I haven't added a payment method over here, but I'm going to be telling you how you guys can do it. Now remember, if you already have a payment method, to change your payment method, basically what you have to do is, if you have one payment method over here, you want to click on where it says add a payment method and add another payment method. Now once you have their old payment method and a new payment method, both of their payment method added over here, you want to remove the old payment method. So that's basically how you guys can change your payment method. You want to have your old payment method over here and a new payment method over here, both of them added. And after two of your payment method is added, you can delete one of them. So you can just remove your old payment method. Then you are left with your one and only new payment method. So that's basically how you guys can change your payment method on Binance. So yeah, that's basically how we do it.